Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to boil an egg for a runny yolk. Achieving a perfectly runny yolk requires precision and attention to detail. We will cover selecting the right eggs, preparing your pot, and the exact cooking times needed. Get ready to master this simple yet delightful culinary skill, ensuring a delicious breakfast or snack every time. Let's get started on making your ideal soft-boiled egg. Before cooking, proper preparation is key. Choose a saucepan that comfortably fits your eggs in a single layer. Fill it with enough water to cover the eggs by about 1 inch. Bring this water to a full, rolling boil before you even think about adding the eggs. This ensures consistent cooking from the start. Also, have a slotted spoon handy for gently lowering and removing them. Now for the crucial part, cooking time. Carefully lower your eggs into the vigorously boiling water using a slotted spoon. For small eggs, cook for exactly 5 minutes and 30 seconds. Medium eggs require 6 minutes of cooking. If you are using large eggs, aim for 6 minutes and 30 seconds. These precise timings are essential for that wonderfully runny, golden yolk you desire. Once cooked, immediately transfer your eggs to an ice bath. This stops the cooking process and makes them easier to peel. Let them cool for at least 2 minutes. When ready to peel, do so gently under cold, running water to prevent sticking. Serve your perfectly boiled, runny yolk egg warm, perhaps with some buttered toast or a sprinkle of salt and pepper. Enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.